sort of secret activity. By the way, it's Christmas Eve. And there's secret activity going on, and I'm not sure what it is. I think that we're gonna break the table. We're gonna get some big dude in here to jump on and break the table.
You set it on fire, I'll jump on it.
That sounds like a plan.
No fires.
Well, we can't be like the Bills fans, like set the table on fire and then like jump off the roof and break it in half.
That's what I'm saying.
Out here.
She would want to see that.
Yes, we're missing Caitlin.
Well, no, she could call the fire department. Oh. Yeah, she's done it. The fire department.
Are we ready?
Pickled herring contest.
We already did that.
You are going to build gingerbread houses.
It's a gingerbread house, and there's made a walkway here, and then there's a star on the knob. That's the knob, and then there's little Christmas trees here. We have a red outline for the door, and then on the side of the roof there's snowflakes and little holly leaves, and then that's the same on the other side, and then we have this thing around here. I think it's like a fence thingy. And then, yeah, it goes the whole way around. And there's also lights on the front. And, yeah, that's pretty much it.
Wow. All right.
We are Team Annihilation, and this is the Team Annihilation Gingerbread House.
The color.
Miguel will explain the process.
I mean, when we were making this, we decided we need to put a lot of color in it because the color really just pops, and like color wins the competition.
Does it?
Well, that's basically the concept right there. To go into detail, we used M&Ms for the ground covering to, exemplify grass. Also some roses along the outside on the bottom. Miguel had the brilliant idea of making a plaid roof to represent shingles. We have lights going around the entire circumference of the roof. Also roses line up the front of the house. A beautiful, orange-lined sidewalk leading up to the entrance, and also a lovely, face for the back.
Who is that?
That's just a face for the back.
Is that you?
No, that's not me.
The resemblance
No,
is...
that is not me.
Yeah! The resemblance is... Uncanny.
Let me see.
Hold it up to your face, man.
That face here has more hair.
Our team name was Team Icing.
Yes, we are Team Icing.
We're all
about the icing.
Gingerbread house!
Yes, this is our gingerbread house. Max, do you want to tell them about what we did here?
Well, we made a pond and we made some Santas. We made a little track and we put a chimney up there, and then we put some M&Ms for the. And we decorate the sides and stuff. But there's a back door too. If you can see that, there's a back door, there's a front door. And with the Santas is the front door. It's the front door. It's the back door over here.
So if someone is trying to eat the gingerbread men, do they run out the back door? Is that how that works?
Yeah.
Okay.
The back door.
Max ate a lot of icing, so he's very excited about gingerbread houses right now. Right, Max?
Yep. I'm just gonna eat all the M&Ms.
Yes. Now he's gonna eat all the M&Ms.
This is a poor man's gingerbread house, designed by Jackson Designers. You'll notice it sparkles with lack of ornaments. It's a basic gingerbread house built by a poor man. And that's all I have to say.
Okay. Thank you. We are Team Christmas, and this is our gingerbread house. We decided, well, these were all Kylie's ideas because I am full of nothing but bad ideas. So we have a pathway of candy canes right here. It was a great idea, lined with some gumdrops. Good.
Then we have Christmas trees.
Uh-huh.
And then we decorated the roofs with little gingerbread man and snowflakes. And then we have some snow and snowflakes on the ground.
Wow. All right. And that is our gingerbread house.
This is Team Ghetto Superstar. And what I've done here is made an avant-garde statement against the crass commercialism that Christmas has morphed into in modern society. This is what it's supposed to be for the little elves that live on the wrong side of the tracks. They don't have nice little houses with gumdrop candy trees. Their house is crumbling in. Someone ate half their shrubbery. I mean, this time of year we should be thinking about how the other half lives and not, just propping up all these little gingerbread mansions that everybody seems to think is what America's all about today.
All right, listen, do you want to tell us a little bit about your house now?
It's
How
really
it's
more,
constructed?
It's more of a shack than it would be considered to be a house. I mean, it probably at one point in time, it was probably a nice place, but the people they can't keep it up. It's fallen into disrepair. I think there's a little passed out elf in there.
Go spin it around. Show us a little
If you
bit.
look inside there, you can probably see him just laying across there. I don't know. But, I mean, this is what it's like for the people that live on the wrong side of the tracks. But of all of these houses, in the Christmas season, where would baby Jesus be? He would be here, because there wouldn't have been room for him in any of these nice places. Team Ghetto Superstar.
The internet winner is number 2, which is Michael and Uncle John.
Yeah, I want some of
Family voting is number 2, which is Kylie and Ben.
All right, Kylie.
I did not. No. What are you doing, Max?
What, Max? What are we gonna do?
Nice icing.
All right, we're eating icing. There we go.
Yeah. M&M's too.
Throw him in.
Throw him now, Max.
Sugar!